Ugh. Now the government shutdown has impacted my student loan repayment plan. That's what she murmured under her breath, staring at her phone. The screen's harsh glow casting shadows across her face, making her look like the Wicked Witch of the East in the early morning sunrise. Just one more unintended ripple of chaos from the shutdown. But here's the wild part. In a strange, almost paradoxical way, Aneeta felt a flicker of relief. Relief from the invisible knives of office drama, the constant games, the whispers that followed her down every hallway. Because here's the thing, in every office there's one story you wish you could delete from your record. For her, that story was Ethan, the director's son. A short, intense fire of a relationship that burned bright and ended abruptly, leaving ashes and smoke in his wake. Their connection was quick, electric, and doomed from the start. When it ended, gossip replaced passion and betrayal replaced respect. And when Ethan's father was quietly reassigned, every knowing glance felt like an accusation. In the Pentagon, whispers travel faster than memos. She knew because she'd once been guilty of listening to the whispers, sometimes even leading the chatter. That's why her chest felt tight with regret. By now, the story had grown beyond her control. It wasn't about the truth anymore, it was about perception. What people thought had happened became their reality. A dangerous distortion. Aneeta could feel the weight of it pressing down. Every sideways glance, every half smile in the office, another reminder that seeing isn't believing anymore. And now, in a world where artificial intelligence can create videos of anyone doing anything, truth itself feels fragile. A glass figurine ready to shatter at any single click. Her heartbeat picked up, her mind raced. She imagined a digital version of her story playing out for the world to see. Reputations twisted, innocence questioned, history rewritten with a few keystrokes. Aneeta breathed slowly, forcing herself to center in the quiet of the room. But the tension lingered, like static in the air. She sat there, staring out the window, city lights blurred through her tears. And that's when it hit her. Reputation isn't what people say about you. It's what you consistently prove despite them. The shutdown might pause her paycheck, but it couldn't pause her purpose. She straightened up, exhaled, and whispered to herself, maybe the world can't tell real from fake anymore, but I can. And that's where my power begins. Because in the end, the real work isn't managing perceptions, it's mastering peace, knowing who you are when the noise gets loud. In business and in life, perception often moves faster than truth. The test of maturity isn't controlling the story others tell, it's staying grounded enough to live yours with integrity. Reputation follows consistency and not conversation.